Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to continue working on part 16 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to add some stuff right here. Like we added the house number, we added all of this, and then the sidewalk. And now we're going to continue working on this. What I want to do is go to the ground floor and then just edit this one, this boundary right here, and then add this one as well, CS on that, and add on the other side. So we have grass on both sides so that it looks nicer when we have a shot right here. And then now what I'm gonna do is we're going to add some pot lights. So on the part 1 description, there will be a second link there. It will be called Complete Revit Projects, and I think what I call it is extra Revit families. And all of this, we will have to download the pot light face base. I want the square one, so either one will be good. What I want to do is to add that. I'm going to close this, and what you need to do is just drag and drop. The good thing about this is face base, so if you add it on the face, it will be added on anywhere, even here. So right now I'm just going to add it on top of that and on top of here. And what I want here actually is to put some grill right here. So instead of closing it up, I want to add some roof vegetation right here. So I'm gonna change this to a green floor, but before that I'm going to go to south elevation and select this one, edit extrusion. Actually, not edit extrusion, but I want to add an extrusion. And then I'm going to set, pick a plane, and select this wall right here. And then here, we're going to change that later on, but I just want to add something like this. Not too extravagant, but I just want to have that part right there. And then I'm gonna copy multiple stuff, and I think that's good enough. And then click finish, and if we see it, we could just move it all the way right here, and then change this to gypsum wallboard. I think number 3 is what we have, similar to this. So click finish, and here we could add a green one. So I think paint is good enough right here, and then grass, and then I'm gonna choose that right there. As you can see, it looks nice. I like the way we're going to put something right here, maybe a small bush or whatever, some grass at the top right here, and then we could incorporate those ones. And then here I'm adding some lights. I'm gonna add the lights right here as well, below here, and then on the top right here. And then hopefully it's something that it's visible. So if we go to ceiling plan, I want to see if we have it right here. So we have it. I'm going to space it out properly, maybe 1000, and then space it out. There we go. And then copy multiple. There we go. I'm happy with that. What we could do here is to actually just copy this and see if we have enough spacing. So we have enough. And then let's go to level 2 and see how it looks. And then level 3 if we have. It's not being shown. So what we need to do is, so at least we have everything right here, 3 of them, and then everything is aligned from this wall. And then here we just need to try and see it. I'm going to change the view range, unlimited. So view range, this is 6000. Below, I think, because this one should be unlimited. There we go. And then this is the one that we have. And then I'm going to align it. So the family that I create is simple enough that you'll be able to add it instantly to any surface. Like I said, it's face based, because I don't like families that are like wall based, ceiling based, and those kind of stuff. I'm limited to the category of the family. So that's why I created that instead. And then here we need to just copy it every 1000, I think. And then if we select everything, we could just space it out. Something simple like that. Then edit this one, maybe move this one a little bit so that just a little bit like that. I want to make sure that this is aligned to those ones. So I'm happy. And then now what I want to do is to set materials for this. So what I want to do is to add. So by using paint first, so I'm gonna use bamboo. I'm gonna set bamboo on this wall. So that's fine. I would see that bamboo wall right there. And then after that, maybe this spoon. I haven't used that yet, so I'm gonna add it on this wall. So that's fine there. and then maybe copper onto this wall. I'm thinking of changing this. So I'm still thinking maybe I want this case to be gray. And then anything else. So that is bamboo. This is, I'm gonna make this white instead. Just leave it white. And I'm going to change the one in the inside to something like that. Make sure to select those that are showing right there. So I'm happy with that. And then maybe the ones that are right here, I'm just going to change this 3 and just leave this one white. So to do that, I'm going to rubber. I'm going to change that to rubber. And then there we go. And I'm just going to leave it there. And I think I'm happy with that. Just changing those ones, it's more than enough for me. And then we're not going to change anything right here. I want the flow of the white to just show here. And this one, because this is bamboo, we could change it if we have a different one. I think I used rubble already. Something that we haven't used, so maybe carpet, so that it's noticeable. Just to show different materials right there. And because of here, we wanna cover this up because it's gonna show the white. And let's not forget the window that we have right here and also here. You just need to be patient and just select those. And then this one, I think we put sprue. So I'm gonna add this one as well. There we go. So now everything is covered. We will add something right here. Maybe I'm gonna put -200. So I just pull it up a little so that I think maybe just put -250. So just a little bit so that we can put grass on top. I think that's good enough. And then having all those vegetation right here will look really good on this one. I'm still thinking if we should cover this up with the same material, but that's up to you to do. For me, I just want it to look like this. Simple but good enough. Also, I'm not sure if I should cover this with like maybe a wood material, but in order for you to be able to change the materials on this, you need to edit the in place. So you cannot just use paint on that. You need to edit in place and then now use paint. So now the issue that I have here is I don't know which one that I've used yet. So maybe I'm gonna use softwood lumber to show that this is changed right there. And because this is just one entity, as you can see, we'll be able to change it. And having a wood at the top there is actually really good. If you see something like that, it will really make everything nice. The only issue that we have right now is that we need to split this one because this is the whole thing. So now I'm going to exit first, finish this, select now here because this is not part of that. So now select this one, and then now we can see that what we can split off. Maybe I could just use this right there and then maybe just trim it. I need to go to a ground floor in order to see it much better. As you can see, we need to cut it from here and then cut it from there. Click finish, and then now we're ready to just select that. I'm just going to do this edit in place because so softwood, we have this part right here that needs to be fixed. There we go. I think that's good enough. Everything is covered, and we can select a nice wood for that, and everything else is white. So we're gonna stop here for now and continue on the next video. Thank you for watching and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.